It is time to open up our new monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Got autumn air, hoe wood, bergamot, and last is pine. For our extra goodies, we have a Simply Earth deodorant container, some shea butter, body wash powder, and for our recipes, we have Bergamot Kiss Lip Balm, Falling Leaves Roll-On, Lumberjack Body Wash, Enchanted Forest Solid Lotion Bar, Fall Orchard Body Wash, Autumn Splendor Diffuser Blend. Included are the matching stickers, but my favorite thing is here on the back where it says the value of the box is $124.73, and you get all of that for only $44.99. So that is awesome. That is a great value for your subscription. And right now I have a great coupon code to offer you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code THECRAFTYFREE, no spaces, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $45 gift card in their shop to purchase other supplies.